we were looking at commission, and we said after working out commission, we can now be able to work out percentage commission. Yesterday, you were able to work out commission. But today, we are going to look at percentage commission. So, for example, if you are given in question number 1, they are saying, can we read question number 1? Page 86, question 1. Question 1, page 86. Can you read? Yes. Yesterday we looked at commission. Now they want us to calculate percentage commission. They are saying Halai earned a commission of 15,000. He earned a commission of what? Now in this case, commission is what? 15,000. After selling goods worth how much? 600,000. After selling of goods worth 600,000. After selling goods worth 600,000, you got a commission of 15. Now they want you to calculate percentage commission. This is what? This is what? Commission. The goods were worth 600 what? 1,000. Now for us to get percentage commission, we work out commission out of sales. Out of our sales, then times what? 100%. Out of the sale. So this will be, for us to get percentage commission, what is the commission? What is the commission? 15,000. For our case, this is 15,000 shillings. Out of? Yes, he sold, the total amount was 600,000. Then as percentage, we are going to multiply by what? 100%. So how do you work out? This will go, then this one removes this, the second one removes this one goes by this one. So what are we having? 15 out of 600 multiplied by 100%. Then what next? This one can go with this one, isn't it? Then this one by this one. So what do we have? 15 out of 6. But now this is percent. So, what do we say? What do we say? How do you work out that? What do you get? 3 here, 2, yeah? 3 here is 5, So this gives you 5 out of 2. What next? That is 2 divided by 5. What do you get? 2 here, 1. 2 here is what? 2 whole number. What remains? What remains? 1. 1 out of 2. That becomes now what? Percentage. So our commission percent is 2.5%. We can write it as 2.5% or 2.5%. That is now when you are working what? Commission. Let's look at the next question that we had there. Number 3. Let us read number 3. A person sold a piece of land. So selling, that becomes our selling at what? A person sold a piece of land at on page 86, number 3. Can we read? And you have the question in your books. He sold a piece of land at how much? At how much? That is what? 2 million? 250,000. 250,000. 250,000. That was the selling of land. He sold land at 2,250,000. What next? He received. The person who was selling. Here we have two people. We have two people here. We have the seller and the agent. We have the seller and you have the agent. So the seller sold the land at 2,250,000. Then he received. The seller received. He received what? He received. Nana receive here. Seller am agent. The seller received 2 million. 2 million. 2 million shillings. Look at that. He sold. Umeuza shamba. You sold at 2,250,000, but you receive 2 million. What has happened here? What has happened here? The agent has received the other part. He has not gotten the whole amount. So the agent has taken a fraction and the seller has got his fraction. So when the seller gets 2 million, we have to find what amount will the agent have to get. Let us look at the amount for agent. What do we do? The total amount was 2,250,000. That was the total amount. But he ended up getting 2 million. Alipata 2 million. So, how much did the agent get? So it means the difference is what? The difference is what? 250,000. This is the amount that the commission given to the agent. This is the commission that agent alipata. So what is our question? What's the question? Nani, what's the question? What percentage? Yes, they want percentage commission. Percentage commission for the agent. How do we get percentage commission? How do we get percentage commission? Basit, how do we get percentage commission? How do we get percentage commission? How do we get percentage commission? Formula? It is commission out of sale. Times 100%. Yes. So our commission will be 250, the commission, 250, this one. This is the commission for agent, commission for agent. Then out of the total sale, which is our sale, the sale is 2 million. The sale is 2,250,000 shillings. Then times 100%. Let us work out that and see what we get. So our percentage commission. This will go with this one by this one. Then the fourth one by this, isn't it? So how many? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You have to confirm. So what is remaining? 25. This is 225, isn't it? Times 100%. Then now that's our next step. This is our next step. How can we work out that? How do we simplify? How do we simplify here? Dividing. Which number can we use? 5. Yes, 5. 5. 5 can go here. How many times? 5. Let us not work it there. Let us work it in the next step so that some of us should not confuse. Now it is 25 out of 225 times 100%. So we are saying we are going to use 5. 5 here is what? 5. 5 into 22. 4. Is it over? No. What's remaining? When you push it, that's 2 here. It becomes 5 into 25. 5 again, isn't it? We have 5. 5 here. 5 here. 5 into 45. 9. So we shall now have 1 out of 9 times what? Times 100. Are we okay? Are we okay? 5 here is 5. 5 here is 4. 5. 5 here 1. 5 here is 9. Yes. Percent. Then now 9 here is 1. 9 here is what? 1. Is it over? No. 9 there is 1. Is it over? No. So it will give you 11. Remainder 1 out of 9%. That becomes our percentage commission. That becomes our percentage commission.